Hi, dreamers! So, we are now here in Cabangan Resort. Lahat ng nakikita nyo, they are my buyer's representatives all the way from Sisang, Pangasinan. Hindi ko sabihin yung price kasi parang price na lang siya ng house, ang baba. This is a very good buy. It is a skill, ladies and gentlemen. Tower aircon. Tower aircon pa lang. We have 4 tower aircons here and that is already 400,000. Plus, billiard table, that is 100,000 na. And then, how about this tables and Tiffany chairs? Pwede nyo actually pa-render to. My gosh, yung presyo nito, parang alam ng bahay sa Subic. May pera lang ako kung nabibili nito. And fully booked sila ngayon. Oh my! Yung may-ari ng resort naghanda for 8 people kasi we have our buyers or the representatives of my buyers are from Pangasinan. So we have si Bulano and Chicharon. We have of course Pakwan and ano ito. Wow! I like that. Napaka-hospitable ng ating resort owner. Yay! Let's eat!